All right, so the SPY hit new all-time highs barely on Friday. This is the watch list video for Tuesday. If you don't know already, the market's closed on Monday. So anyway, for Tuesday the 18th, February 18th. So the SPY had actually a really narrow range on Friday, very low volume, not a very exciting day at all. Still some nice plays in the chat room. Nicholas gave us JTAI early that actually made a pretty damn nice move. I think his entry call was 648 and it went to 820. Even in pre-market, for those that were there early, Kevin gave MGOL over a buck, and I think it went up like 25 cents, which percentage-wise is pretty damn nice, right? Other things, TSM, buy zone by Miguel, RX Nish gave us through 10, and that's actually, I'll just start with that one. That's on watch going into Tuesday, and you can see the big breakout. So he called it through 10, and it went to 1076. Let me slide this up real quick. New folks in the video or in the chat, please pause the video and read that. Good explanation of what we're all about. So we're going to watch RX for a potential continuation on Tuesday. Let's go to SMCI. Kind of breaking out there, broke out of this little tight range. Certainly could continue. I think there's probably a lot of short stuck in that name. ACHR is just getting a little extra volume lately and kind of close to a little mini breakout. So we're going to watch that one. TSSI works with Dell. Had a nice volume pop on Friday. That I like the looks of that chart. It's kind of coiled here, right? And then you got big volume on Friday. And Dell, it ran as a sympathy to Dell. Dell got a nice headline on Friday. So that's certainly worth keeping an eye on. Also, you can see the volume there. Where are we? LFWD had a nice 2-day run here, right? Then pulled back and is starting to curl back up. Kind of an obscure play, but goes on watch. UDMY, big breakout, maybe a follow-through day. Should be on watch all week. DOMH sold off hard on Friday, but ended up closing back near the high. So that one's definitely in play, and a lot of traders watching that one. INLF, crazy move, so I'm going to have it on watch, certainly extended. RX breaking out on Friday. CSAI. Okay, this thing's only been trading for maybe 12 days, something like that. The move on Thursday went from 1770 to 5243, which I know is insane. And then on Friday, basically ended up completed a round trip from where Thursday started, almost, right? But as a day trader, I look at this and say, man, this thing can really move. Maybe it needs to come in another day, but this one could certainly maybe give us a narrow range for the first hour and then break to the upside. And traders kind of go, okay, I know what this one can do. If I'm short, I'm getting out. If I'm long, I might get another run like this. So you can get a pretty nice quick move in something like that with a proper setup. And then AIFF is just a recent crazy runner that now we got 2 nice red days in a row on declining volume. We're going to watch that one to possibly turn back up and give us a clean setup on Tuesday. Anyway, that's it for me. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Enjoy your Monday off, and I'll see everybody in the chat room pre-market on Tuesday.